Hey everyone, ever wonder how AI chatbots handle conversations that stretch for thousands of words without slowing down? Or why some models struggle with ultra-long texts while others breeze through them? Today, we're diving into a breakthrough called Helix Parallelism, a revolutionary approach that's making AI faster, smarter, and ready for the future of long-form interactions. Let's start with a problem. Imagine trying to follow a 10,000-word story. Your brain has to juggle characters, plot twists, and context in real time. Now picture an AI model doing the same. But instead of a brain, it's using GPUs, which are like supercharged calculators. The catch? The longer the text, the more memory and processing power the model needs. Traditional methods split work across GPUs, but here's the glitch. They often duplicate data or create bottlenecks, slowing everything down. Enter Helix Parallelism, a smart new approach from NVIDIA that's rewriting the rules. Think of it like a factory line that reuses workers for different tasks. First, during the attention phase, the model shards or splits its short-term memory, called a key-value cache, across GPUs. This is like assigning different workers to organize different sections of a library. Then those same GPUs switch gears to handle the next step, processing the model's dense layers. No wasted effort, no duplication, just smooth, efficient work. Here's where it gets really cool. Hoppy, a clever trick that overlaps communication between GPUs with actual computation. Imagine a kitchen where chefs start prepping ingredients while the oven is still heating. This conveyor belt approach cuts delays, letting models handle 32x larger batches without slowing down. It's like giving the AI a supercharged engine for long conversations. But why does this matter? Helix isn't just about speed. It's about making real-time AI possible for ultra-long texts. From chatbots that remember your entire history to autonomous agents handling complex tasks, this tech is pushing the limits of what's achievable. And with emerging hardware like NVIDIA's Blackwell platform, Helix's modular design means it can adapt to future innovations, like sparse attention mechanisms that reduce memory load by focusing only on relevant parts of the input. So next time you chat with an AI, remember, behind the scenes, tricks like Helix are keeping the conversation smooth, fast, and ready for anything. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into the science behind the tech. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time.